pull his pants down and have a banana hammock on, is he? Drummer. Hey. Is it two spots at once?
Make them both go.
There's two red dots at the same time? Hey.
Yeah.
Push it off you and kill it on him. Ooh, not there.
You're going to have black and blue, you know what?
Why are you suddenly getting protective?
It's going to be all black and blue. The boss is going to say what happened. My grandmother beat me
Keeping
up.
his hand in the safe spot.
Mom, get it on his boob.
Where?
Yeah.